What's up, buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top. My name is Elvis and welcome to the Golden Drive. And this is my 1982 Datsun 280ZX. Actually, hold on. Yeah, hold on. Every day it snows. What the heck? And it's freaking ice. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is just too ridiculous. I will show you guys what it looks like on a normal day. But welcome. So glad you guys are here. I am putting up my 1982 Datsun 280ZX for sale. I know a lot of you might be asking why. You might think it's surprising, and to me it is surprising. I never thought I was going to sell this car, but I'm selling it for reasons which I'm going to explain to you right now. It still drives great. It is awesome. Like, so many people love the car. And I have driven this thing all over the United States. It has been, I drove it from California to Kentucky, about 3,000 miles. Drove from Kentucky to, what's the name of the place? Canada, which I'm currently at, the Vancouver area. About 3,000 miles again. The bearing kind of failed when we were like over halfway, but I fixed the bearings. That was the only thing that was wrong with it. This thing drives great. And it has not had any problems ever since I got it. It's been great. It has about 170 something thousand miles on it. Because this was just a concept. I just thought of it in my head one day when COVID was starting, and I was like, wait a second, this will be great to do a project on, because no one ever modifies the 280ZXs as much as they do with the 280s and the 240s. And so I was like, this would be the perfect underdog to make look amazing. Because I don't think it looks amazing from the factory, but this looks way more amazing than it did, hopefully. Some people think it looks terrible. Some people think this is blasphemy, but I think this is gold. Ow, it's freaking cold. It literally snowed like 20 inches the other day. But anyhow, the reasons I'm selling this, which I'm going to just tell you right now. Okay, the first reason is I need to free up more money to be able to work on other projects. That sounds like a typical thing people say when they sell things, but I'm going to explain to you. So, behind us is my 1972 Jaguar XJ6 with an LS engine that I did myself. I put the transmission in the car. The guy that I bought it from Facebook Marketplace said it worked. When I put it into drive, I started the car, put it into drive. It didn't move, nothing. And so now that means I have to buy another 4L60E transmission. But for now, I need the money to be able to fund that glorious Jag over there. There's also some other projects, because I did this project over a year ago and I'm just itching to do something even more crazier to another car. Now the Jag is there, which is going to get some of the crazy treatment, but I want that to not be super crazy. I still want it to retain most of the factory body lines. And so with that said, there's some projects that I think I want to dive into, and I've seen some more projects that I'm interested in buying, in purchasing. And I feel like I want to grow more as a fabricator. I want to grow more in my craft. And I just think for the time being, and I know I'm going to regret selling it, but I just think for the time being, it is a wise decision to get rid of the Datsun. Also, the Datsun market is also strong now. So I feel like even though it's cut up, I feel like I could sell it at a good price and make some money, so I can be able to, again, just to buy more project cars, because I plan to buy another project car. There's one or two that I'm looking at right now that I feel like would be an amazing build for the channel to help with hopefully channel growth and all of that stuff. And so with that said, this is for sale. If you're interested, hit me up. I'm going to put it on Facebook Marketplace, but it's still registered in the US, which if you want me to, I can register it if you're buying it in Canada, I can always register it in Canada. But right now it's still registered in the US. So you can literally fly in, I don't know, drive it back to the States, or even have me ship it back to the States. and it will be fine. It has a golden title, clean title, all of that good stuff. I'm currently not working. I'm still looking for a job since I just moved to Canada about 2 months ago or something. And so I can't really spend as much as I used to spend on the Datsun, on the Jag. And yeah, we're getting into a new year too. I just thought it was the best time to, boom, start selling, because this, I think, my marketing, it's gonna be a great car for you to drive. It has so many modifications, and I'm going to make a playlist of all the things that I've done to this car, because it's a lot. If you don't know what this car is, it's completely stock. It's not a turbo. It has a turbo heads. It has everything for a turbo, but I think the previous owner took it off for some reason, and so it drives great. It has a 5-speed manual transmission. I made everything on it, and everything works. There's literally, I don't think there's anything on this car that doesn't work. And I'm going to start it up just to show you guys that it works. So give me a few seconds. Ow. So I forgot my keys inside, but I'm going to get them later. This is an amazing car. So if you're interested, again, hit me up at thegoldendrive@gmail.com to tell me if you're interested. I'll also see if I can leave the link in the description to the Facebook ad, so you can message me on Facebook and buy this if you want to. If you need me to ship it to anywhere in the States, also let me know, because I can ship it anywhere. Yeah, I can organize shipping and it'll be fine. Yeah, if you also have any questions, please let me know. I'm gonna go get my keys so I can start it for you guys to hear, so you actually believe me that it's running. But yeah, if you want to, again, watch the history of this car and like the build and how I got it and everything that I've done, you can click on my channel below or click on the link below and just go watch the whole playlist. Oh, and oh my gosh, the body work the body work that I did is not perfect. But it is a good place to start on. I don't think it's perfect. I think there's still a lot of things that could be improved, but that's also kind of why I could have made this as perfect as I could, but I think that would have just ruined the charm of the car that the car has. And so yeah, it's an amazing car though, and you can choose to also modify this as much as you want. You can make the bodywork as perfect as you want. You can, because this paint right now that's on this car is actually what's it called, like a rattle can Rust-Oleum paint job right now. And yeah, let me know again if you have any questions. If you want me to take up the ski box, I always can. I can sell it with the ski box. I don't mind. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. Yeah, I look forward to maybe selling this car. If I don't get very good offers that I'm looking for, I'm probably not going to. I'm just going to keep it because this is still an amazing car. Okay, I've talked too much. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this golden video. I will catch you guys on the next golden drive. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and thumbs up, subscribe to the golden drive. If you want to see more about this car's, again, build process, check out YouTube or Instagram. I have my Instagram linked below as well. And yeah, okay, I've got my keys. Let's start this beast. Oh. I would drive out of this, but I literally can't see anything. Yep, it broke out of the glorious snow, and now time to go for a drive. Okay guys, have an amazing rest of the day. Bye.